Hey guys, I'm back on another video. So bought CMK money. Today I'm so happy just because I'm dropping this video, guys, because it's been a long time. I have been not seeing you guys for a long time now. So I was worrying about you guys. So I'm back on another video, guys. This video is sponsored by Fair. Fair is a platform where guys you're going to make money just by completing some orders online. So but I'm gonna show you how this platform works. So guys, I hope guys you are happy for this, just because at the end of this video you're gonna make yourself some money. I hope you're happy right now. So please, if you're interested in making money online, please just click the like button on this video. Click the like button, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to your boy. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to explain more about this this app, guys. This app is new, guys. This app is new and it's here in South Africa. It's what I love about this one. So if you're here in South Africa, just watch this video until the end, just because after this video you're gonna make a lot of money, guys. So please stay on this video until the end, just because you're gonna lose some points and you're gonna lose some money if you don't you just. Okay guys, you are happy now that I just dropped this video. So you're busy asking yourself or wondering, how are you going to make money? So that's a good question. So I'm gonna explain to you how you're going to make this money on this video, but I don't like to explain to you while I'm not showing you how to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my phone and show you and explain everything about the app. Don't forget, watch this video until the end, and also the link will be on my description if you want to register to this app. I will leave the link on my description, just because when you use my link you're gonna get free 30 rand after registering. That's so amazing, and I know that you like that. So I'm going to my phone now, so I'm gonna show you how you can start making money on this Fair app. Let's go, guys. Okay guys, so now as you can see, I'm on the app. As I told you guys, I'm gonna show you how to register and all the process that you need. I'm gonna show you on this video. So as you can see, here is the video. So guys, now as a newbie, you're gonna click where they said register. So after clicking where they said register, you're gonna go to register, and then you're gonna first put your cell phone number. So now I'm gonna put my cell phone number, but it's easy, guys. You're gonna type your cell phone number, put your cell phone number. That's easy. You're gonna put that, and also you're gonna click there where they said enter your password. You're gonna click and paste and put your password. Make sure your password is 6 numbers or whatever, but make sure it's 6 upwards. 6 to 12, as you can see there, 6 digits to 12. As you can see, you can even use letters if you wanna use letter, and also enter the password again. You're gonna repeat your password again, and then after they will need a captcha. They're gonna need a captcha. So this is the captcha. This is what you need to write, guys. This is what you need to write. If you don't understand this one, this is what they're saying that you should write. You're gonna write this one on this section, and then you're gonna click register down there on the green button. You're gonna click register, and after clicking there, wow, you're gonna be done with your registration process. So for me, I already have an account here. I already have an account. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click sign in. I'm gonna sign in, guys. I'm gonna sign in. So as I signed in, I'm gonna click I'm gonna put my cell phone number, guys, but I'm not going to show you my cell phone number, guys. That's my information. So but I'm gonna type my cell phone number for now. Okay. Okay. I think I'm done. Okay. I put the wrong password, so I'm gonna click sign in, guys. I'm gonna click sign in. Boom, I will be in. After clicking sign in, I will be in. Okay guys, Now I'm in. As you can see, I'm having 34 rand. I'm having 34 rand. So guys, okay, today I've just collected my orders, but I want to show you guys how to grab your orders, just because guys, you're gonna get confused. So after landing here, guys, as you can see, I'm having 34 rand, 14 cent. So as you can see here, I want to show you how to grab orders. Guys, before I show you everything about this app and how it works, I'm gonna show you how to grab orders. But first, let me show you guys how to earn before I show you how to grab your orders. So you're gonna click where they say earn. I want to show you how to earn on this one and explain to you. Gonna click where they say earn. So going step by step, guys, because I want you guys to understand. So as you can see, on level 1, guys, let me show you. Level 1, as you can see, this is level 1. As you can see, on level 1, guys, they're gonna give you 12 rand, 42 daily, guys. On level 1, they're gonna give you daily. So what they're trying to say is that the orders that you're gonna complete, the total will be 12 rand 42 every day, guys, on level 1. If you on level 1, is the one that you're gonna get. Task level, it means you'll be on VIP 1. So total daily earnings is 81 rand, is 81 rand daily, guys. You're gonna get 81 rand daily, guys. So when you on level 2, let's take you upgraded your level, now you on level 2, you're gonna get 18 rand, 36 on level 2. That means you on VIP 2. So total earnings daily, you're gonna get like 252. Wow, that's a lot of money. 72 guys. This is a lot of money, guys. So as you can see, you're gonna read everything here, but everything that they telling you guys here is real, is the one that you're gonna get. In level 3, you're gonna get like 787.32, guys. That's it. So you're gonna read and see which level you're making the most money, which level you're gonna make a lot of money. So but it's here, guys. So total daily earnings, daily tax value added earnings of daily tax earnings 200%. So okay, here they're showing how to grab orders. As you can see here, they're showing you how to grab orders. So you're gonna go where they said, and for you to understand the platform, but it's straightforward, it's easy, because they're showing you even how to grab orders. But I'm gonna show you how to grab orders, guys. I'm gonna show you, but today I just grabbed mine, but I'm gonna show you on the next account how to grab orders, just because I didn't grab orders on that other account. So but I'm gonna show you on that account how to grab your orders. So I'm gonna log in again on the other account. So as you can see on VIP 1 number, okay, if you invite one person, you're gonna invite your friend. Okay, what they're saying here, they said invite your friends to join and complete their first top up. You will receive 30 rand cash per person. So if you refer someone here and that person top up, you're gonna get 30 rand. If someone you referred, like she or he top up, you're gonna get like 30 rand. So 2 person, there's 60 rand. 3 persons, you're gonna get like the 90 rand. If you're gonna get 4 people, you're gonna get like 125. You're gonna get 150. That's what they're saying on this platform. That's so amazing, guys. When your friends do tasks to get earnings, you will also earn up to 10% commission on friends. And wow, guys, this is so amazing, guys. As you can see, when your friend do text, guys, you're gonna earn, guys. This app, guys, is so amazing. So I suggest you go and register, just because it only take you like 5 minutes to do that and start earning on this one. You can get like your 30 rand, your free 30 rand, and then you're gonna start earning today. You're gonna make even 50 rand a day, guys. Wow, that's so amazing. So as you can see, the information that they saying that you get here when you refer someone on level 1, guys, you're gonna get 6%, level 2 3%, level 3 1%. As you can see, what they're saying here is what the app really does, that, guys. They're not lying to you, guys. So you need to like come to this platform and see what's going on. So if you want to invite your friends, you're gonna click where they said friends. You're gonna copy the link after copying the link, you can even okay, let me give you another way for you to like get more people to register through your link. What you're going to do, guys, you're gonna click copy on this platform. Gonna click copy and then go to WhatsApp and tell your friends about this app, guys. Tell your friends about this app and how this app is amazing, so that they're gonna register through your link, guys. Go to WhatsApp, and also if you have a Facebook account, always make sure you tell your friends, even when they're not your friends, but you're gonna post about this one and say that, hey, I'm making money about this one, and they're gonna pay you 30 rand when you register. So in that way, guys, is the more you're gonna get like people to register through your link, and is the more you're gonna make a lot of money about this. Just imagine if you're gonna get like 10 people per day to register through your link. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, I can tell you that, just because the commission that they're giving us here, guys, is so amazing. So to grab orders, you're gonna okay, after that, let me show you how to grab orders. So I'm gonna show you how to withdraw and how to top up. As okay, I showed you how to invite your friends. So now I'm gonna show you how to top up. So as you can see here, I already done my tax for today. I don't have tax. I done 18 tax for me. So I'm gonna just like log in to my other account and then show you guys how to grab your orders. But simple, straightforward. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna show you how you can grab your orders. So now I'm on the account, so I'm gonna show you how to grab your orders. It's going to be easy as that. So you're gonna click on this on one product, guys, on one product that you feel like clicking. So the purpose of this video, I'm gonna click this one. So then you're gonna click where they said order match. You're gonna click where they said order match, and then I've clicked the order match, and then you're gonna click confirm, and then it's gonna load. After loading, you will be done grabbing your one order. So as you see, like you're having like 18 orders a day, guys. So I'm gonna click this one and just click anything that you want to click. So as for me, the goods are very nice. I'm gonna click where they say goods are very nice, so I'm gonna click next. And then after this one, task income is gonna be like 0.23 cent. So value added income is gonna be 0.46. So as you can see, I'm gonna click continue to do task. So I'm done. And then I'm gonna click confirm again until I have like 18. You're gonna do this, guys, always until you go to like until you reach there where they say your daily text are empty. So you're gonna click next. You're gonna do this again and again until they say that your text are done, guys. So you'll be done doing your daily text in that way. So every day you're gonna do this, guys. Every day when you come on this platform, you're gonna do this, guys, and earn, guys. So another option is to refer, as I told you, to earn more. You're gonna refer. So you're gonna maximize your earnings by doing that. So this one I'm gonna choose satisfied. I like it very much. I'm gonna click, and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna repeat this until they say my daily text are empty, guys. So I'm gonna do this. So my battery is 10%. I'm sorry about this one, guys. So I'm gonna, so this phone can shut down anytime, but you're gonna do this again and again until you reach 18. Until you reach 18 tasks, you're gonna do this again and again. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna cut off this video just because I don't want it to be long. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna do that. So okay. So guys, I don't want this video to be long. I'm not going to continue doing this. So I'm just gonna go back and show you the other stuff. So you're gonna do this until they say you're done. You're gonna, as I told you, you're gonna choose anything that you feel like choosing. Yeah, any goods that you feel like choosing, and then you're gonna do that always. So you're gonna earn more. So as you can see now, guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna click where they said top up. So we're now gonna top up. Let's take we made money. So we're gonna top up or withdraw. So me, I'm gonna choose this top up. So yeah, you choose whether you're using Capitec or whatever. You're gonna click here, and then you're gonna enter the amount that you wanna top up. So for me, I can choose 150, but I don't have 150 on my balance, so I'm gonna choose 150, and then you just click top up, and that way you'll be done. You're gonna be done in that way, guys. You're gonna top up. So let me show you again how to withdraw to your bank account also. Okay, guys, you're gonna come where they said withdraw, guys. You're gonna come where they say withdraw, boom, I'm here. So guys, you're gonna choose your bank that you're using. For me, I can choose Capitec, but I'm using FNB sometimes, but I'm gonna choose Capitec. So we're gonna choose Capitec for me, and then I'm gonna click the withdrawal. Please enter the withdrawal account. You're gonna put your withdrawal account. Please enter the username. Gonna put my username. So you're gonna put your account number here, guys. You're gonna put your account number, and make sure you put your username that you use, guys, on the bank account. Don't just put your name. Put your username that you're using on your account, because when they don't pay you, you'll be mad. So I suggest you're gonna put your real name and your surname as it appears on your, maybe on your ID, just because obviously if you have an ID and then it's linked to your bank, it's linked with your bank account, so the name is available name. So you're gonna put it here, guys. You're gonna put your name and your surname. That's it. If you have an account, if you're using Capitec or whatever, so you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna click confirm. In that way, guys, the money will be available into your account the next day, just because it take 1 day for the money to reach to you, guys. So it's easy as that. So I've shown you everything, I guess. I hope you like this video, guys. You're gonna make yourself some extra cash with this video. So guys, thank you. Please make sure, please, if you don't do it, if you're not going to take action on this one, you're not going to make any money, just because you just only need data to do this task. You only need data every day, and that you do this task and make yourself some money, guys. It's easy as that. So I will see you on the next video. It's your boy CMK Money. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that we can grow fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, see you on the next video.